Get started creating your video thumbnail. Go to Thumbify.me and optionally enter the link of the video you've made, or just click continue without a link if you haven't started yet. To change the background, explore our fun preset options, or simply click upload background and select an image from your computer. Next, adding images to your video thumbnail background is super easy. Just click upload photo and select any file that you have, preferably in JPEG or PNG form, from your desktop, and we'll intelligently remove the background. You'll also notice that you'll be given the option of having a white outline around your image if you'd like to. This has become a popular trend in YouTube videos. Please note you can complete this process over and over again for as many images as you'd like to add to your video thumbnail canvas project. Then you can also use your webcam to add personal photos of you, or you can also click Open Library to re-add photos that you already have uploaded in previous templates. If you'd like to add the company logo or company website image to your video thumbnail canvas, it's simply so easy. Search the name of the company you're looking for, and we'll generate the logo and website image instantly to add to your video thumbnail. To add some further personalization, select from a range of buttons and try adding a short, catchy title. Remember that you can also center, invert the colors, and play with a range of fonts. We've built a collection of the most popular trending fonts on YouTube at the moment, so explore the range of options. Next, you can add a sticker to your canvas. Remember that the stickers you see here aren't just the extent of the collection. If you go to the image search section, you can add other stickers where we've already removed the backgrounds for you for ease of use. Finally, your video thumbnail is ready for use. Click download to save it to your desktop.